Have you ever stopped to wonder why water is so essential to our bodies? It's a question that bears some weight when you consider that our bodies are made up of around 60% water. That's more than half of our physical being, a testament to water's critical role in our survival. Let's put this into perspective. A person can live for weeks without food, but only a few days without water. This is because water is a vital participant in many of our body's essential functions. It's involved in digestion, helping us break down the food we eat so our bodies can use it. It aids in absorption, allowing our cells to receive the nutrients they need. Water is also the lifeblood of our circulation system, transporting nutrients throughout our bodies. Moreover, it's responsible for the creation of saliva and the maintenance of body temperature. So undeniably, water is not just a part of our diet, but a fundamental building block of life. Now that we know water is crucial for our survival, let's dive into the science behind it. Our bodies are intricate systems, and water is the lifeblood that keeps these systems functioning optimally. Hydration, at its core, is all about balance. It's a delicate dance of inputs and outputs, with water as the critical partner. At a cellular level, water is like a busy courier, tirelessly delivering nutrients and oxygen to our cells. Our cells are like bustling cities, and without water, these cities would grind to a halt. Nutrients would be left stranded at the city limits, unable to reach their destinations. Oxygen, the life-giving gas that fuels our cells, would be left hovering at the gates. But water doesn't just deliver, it also cleans up. It's the sanitation department of our bodily cities, sweeping up waste products and flushing them out of our systems. Without this cleansing process, toxins could build up, potentially leading to health complications. Beyond its role as courier and cleaner, water is also our body's thermostat, maintaining the balance of bodily fluids. You see, about 60% of our bodies is water, and this water is involved in almost every bodily function, from digestion to circulation. When we're low on water, these systems can't function properly, which can lead to dehydration. But water doesn't stop there. It also plays a crucial role in regulating our body temperature. Think of those hot summer days when you're sweating buckets. That's your body's way of trying to cool down, and it's water that makes this possible. As the sweat evaporates, it cools the skin and helps lower your body temperature. And let's not forget about respiration. Each time we breathe out, we're losing water. This is another way our bodies use water to regulate temperature and maintain our overall health. It's a clear example of how integral water is to our survival. In essence, water is the silent yet powerful force that keeps our body machinery running smoothly. So the next time you reach for a glass of water, remember all the incredible things it's doing for your body. What happens when we don't consume enough water? Let's explore the effects of dehydration. The human body is a finely tuned machine, and like any machine, it requires the right fuel to run smoothly. When we don't provide it with the water it needs, it can lead to a state known as dehydration. Dehydration can range from mild to severe, and it presents itself through a number of telltale symptoms. At the milder end of the spectrum, you might notice that you're feeling a bit thirsty. This is your body's first signal that it's running low on water. If you ignore this signal and don't replenish your fluids, the symptoms can quickly escalate. You might notice that your mouth feels dry, almost as though you've been talking for hours without a break. As dehydration progresses, it can make you feel fatigued, as if you've just run a marathon. You might also experience dizziness, a sensation comparable to standing up too quickly after sitting for a long time. In more severe cases, dehydration can even lead to confusion, as if you're walking through a fog. But these are just the immediate effects. If left unchecked, chronic dehydration can lead to more serious health issues. Your kidneys, for instance, rely on water to help filter waste products from your blood. Without enough water, these waste products can build up and form kidney stones, a painful condition that can require medical intervention. Similarly, your urinary tract needs water to flush out bacteria. When you're dehydrated, these bacteria can multiply, leading to urinary tract infections. These infections can be painful, and in severe cases, can even require hospitalization. So, it's clear that drinking enough water daily isn't just about keeping your thirst at bay. It's about ensuring your body has what it needs to function properly and to keep you healthy. Remember, staying hydrated is not just about quenching your thirst, it's about keeping your body functioning at its best. To wrap things up, let's summarize what we've learned today. Water, that fundamental life-giving substance, plays numerous vital roles in our bodies. Water is the ultimate facilitator, aiding in the digestion of food, breaking it down into absorbable nutrients. It is the vehicle that shuttles these nutrients to different parts of our bodies, ensuring that every cell gets what it needs to function optimally. Beyond digestion and nutrient transportation, water plays a pivotal role in regulating our body temperature. It acts as a natural coolant, helping to dissipate heat and maintain a stable internal environment, despite the fluctuating external conditions. Our bodies are complex, dynamic systems, and water is the lubricant that keeps this machinery running smoothly. It hydrates our skin, cushions our joints, and even helps to protect our vital organs. But as much as water is essential for health and vitality, it's equally important to recognize the potential dangers of not getting enough of it. Chronic dehydration, or consistently failing to drink adequate amounts of water, can have serious health implications. Dehydration can lead to everything from minor inconveniences like dry skin and fatigue, to more serious concerns like kidney stones and heat stroke. It can impair cognitive function, negatively impacting focus, memory, and mood. So it's not just about drinking water when you're thirsty, it's about making hydration a daily habit, ensuring that you're giving your body the water it needs to perform at its best. And while everyone's water needs can vary, a good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses a day. But remember, if you're physically active or live in a hot climate, you may need even more. So the next time you reach for a glass of water, remember, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're fueling your body's vital functions.